Okay guys, so as you can see, this is good. This is really nice. I'm really feeling this, okay? Mind you guys, I never really, if you follow me, you know this, I rarely ever use eyeshadow primer, and that does take toll on some of my looks, but most of the time I don't have to, especially with certain brands. So it's really nice to know that I can put this brand on my you know, don't worry list, because the color is coming off really well, as we all can see. We in there. So now I'm using the color purple. I'm gonna go in with maroon. Maroon, why am I saying it like that? Okay, so I just did a cut crease on my eye, as you guys can see, and I'm just gonna go in with maroon right up in there. Purple. I'm going with Trophy. It's over here screaming my name. Okay guys, so next I'm going in with a color Wagwan right under. going to use highlighter for obvious reasons. I want to be hot lit. I think I'm gonna go with the Talawa. Wow. And I go under the brow first with the highlighter. So I'm using Rooted on my lips as well as Cranberry. Gonna put on eyelashes. Okay guys, are you ready to see this ish? Ow! Okay, sus. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Eyes is her, lips is her, highlight is her. Yeah, I really like everything about this palette. This palette pushed me out of my comfort zone because I mean her whole brand, like I'm doing bold lip, which I normally never do. I normally just put like lip gloss on or like a nude brown type situation. I feel like I am serving too much, and this is what I was talking about. I love my eyes. I'm loving these lashes. All in all, I'm just feeling myself. You know, I'm just feeling myself because that's just normally what I do. You feel me? I had to put my hood on because, oh my god, your girl looking good. So guys, so far, you know, we seen how pigmented the palette is. We seen how it went on easily. We seen everything. We took step by step together. The lips, my lips don't feel funny. They feel matte, but it's not annoying. I can still move my lips, as you guys can see. I can still talk, which is a plus. So far I like it. So guys, this is another reason you can add on your list to why you need to follow Makeup Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. Her stuff will be in the description box below. It's beautiful makeup, it's pigmented, it's worth it, and then it's for everyone. You know, it's definitely for everyone. I love it. I'm gonna, you know, see if my friends like the lipsticks and stuff, you know, just try to get their opinion because I have friends of all shades. So make sure you follow my social medias. It'll be down below with Playing with Makeup. Let me say her name right. Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. It would be in the description box with her stuff. So, yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.